conduit, electrical conduit. And these were heat treated. I remember making some of these when I was a kid. And I made this one. Or Dad might have made it, I don't know. I remember I made a couple of these, heat treated them, sent them out, had them done. This one's always been modified a little bit because it was probably too tight. Wasn't working.
So what is it?
It's a piece of tubing.
Right.
It is a wrist pin keeper installing tool. Where's those new ones at?
Wrist pins?
And clips. These things. Like that. Up the ramp. Boom, 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 right onto the pin. Snap. Done. You get them out. You have the clip in on this side. You do a screwdriver, pop the clip up. Get the clip off. Same tool does both. The problem is the Dixie ones were overheat treated, so they broke. Not good.
No.
Then some other ones were soft, so they didn't spring back. That didn't work either.
No.
And you can't buy Harley ones anymore. And all the ones that came in these old piston boxes, the clips have all been robbed of them because the pistons weren't worth nothing, but the clips were worth money. I get more for the clips than I could for the pistons. Because for a while these things were like 20 bucks a piece.
Damn.
Try to make sure you don't lose them. See, it doesn't fit on this side, so it has to be this side. To be trimmed out, see. Alright. We've got a burr on there somewhere. Alright. We need to put pistons in. Motor's in my way. I'll put this crappy motor in the way. Cylinders. Ringy dingies. What are they called? One piece oil ring. Just all one piece. With an expander, so technically this is two pieces. And we got a chrome top ring. Cast iron second. These are the sets I like. I like chrome rings. I used to buy these rings, throw that away, buy another set that's cast iron, take the oil rings out of that one, put them with this one, make a set of them. Do that for my race bike, and I change them out every run. Went through a lot of rings.
Yeah.
Is there a gap?
Looks like a real small one.
Fits.
Must have been machined properly.
Guarantee that one's going to fit. Fits. I used to have thumbnails. I could just put my thumbnail in it with my tool.
Yeah.
6-inch scale, it works for a lot of things. Some people might complain that these are no good. We got a ring gap on that thing. It's like double what it should be. It's not tight. It's good. We don't care about loose. We care about tight. It doesn't matter about being loose. It only matters if it's tight. Tight is always bad. Good, I can tell by looking at it. It's not tight. What size is that ring?
40 over.
Good. It's the size I wanted. Might work for 50 too. It's okay. I'm not too technical about this stuff. People get over paranoid about too much. It doesn't matter. Is there enough gap in there?
Yep.
Good. Not tight, right? You got a gap in it?
Yep.
See it from across the street.
Yeah. Well, I couldn't, but
How much do you think that really is? It's more than 15.
Mm-hmm.
This goes right to the 25. Oh, it's not 25. We're good. Which way am I going here? Wrong way or the right way? That was 22 right there. We got 22. So that's 24. Don't have 24. Maybe one at a time works better than two.
good call.
24, 23 didn't work. 22. Told you it was right. 6 thou per inch of bore is what?
I don't know.
6 times 3.5 inches. What's that? 6 times 3.
18.
And another half more.
18 and a half.
No.
21.
3.5.
Oh, 3, 21 and a half.
We have how much?
22.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
So we got 5 thou per bore. 5 thou per bore. No, we just used? No, we used 6, right? 6,000 per bore. That means you can run blown nitro. Good enough ring gap.
All right.
Good to go.
Good to know.
Universal fitment. Works for everything. Straight to top fuel. Alright, that wasn't too hard to do, was it?
No.
It's just a waste of time because you don't have to look at it. Nowadays they make it work. They decided having had to be filed fit these days, so it's a pain in the ass. This is where I'm going to scratch the paint up some more. So I need some CRC over there. Now there's that can right there. That's the can of wood. Okay, so we're going to clean that a little bit. Use a nice clean rag.
Okay.
Stand back a little bit, you're too close. Clean rag. Sure it's clean once anyway.
Well, yeah, at least once.
I get dirty when I started now. Okay, we're done with that rag. Next rag. Cleaner. Yeah. Clean rag here.
Man, he's using clean rags for you.
There it goes. Well, you can't get a clean bore if you use a dirty rag. See, nice and clean now.
Ooh, nice and shiny.
It's rough too. We give you a rough cylinder finish for breaking them nasty ass chrome rings in there like. Paint's getting a little sticky. Not exactly full dry yet. All right. Nice and clean. Back over there. Here you go. Okay, ringies. That one goes over there. Markings go up. About 40?
Yep.
Put some light on it so you can see better. Yeah, kind of see a gray tint. There you go. Markings go up. Don't wrap. Expand. Push down. And don't put it where the gap was. Top ring. Second ring. See it marked there.
There it is.
It's right there, right?
Yeah.
What the hell? These are fancy pistons. I got a detonation ring, or not detonation, but a gas evacuation chamber, basically. So if you get blow by past the top ring, you have an air cavity in here to fill it full of pressurized air before it unloads the second ring.
Oh,
Pretty fancy.
it is
It's
fancy.
racing. You thought these were crappy old pistons, didn't you?
Oh, these are not.
These are racing pistons. All that fancy stuff down there. See, this stuff isn't new. They've been doing crap for years. Nobody knew about it or cared about it back in the day. The other thing is that you put grooves right here, like with chamfers, and that's detonation rings that mix up the gas above it and stops the detonation. They didn't do that though.
No.
They only got halfway in there.
And better gas than 65.
That's right. I think there's a mark there, isn't it?
Don't see anything there.
Might not matter in a second. It does matter because it has a chamfer on it. These are chamfered rings, so they're not just universals. It's another thing they did back in the day. They had pressure-backed rings. Stuff was better quality back then than now.
That one's got a mark on it.
Right there it says 40.
Yeah.
So the chamfer's up. Should be a mark right there then. Just don't see it.
There it is. I just saw it. It disappeared. Yeah. It's there.
Really faint. It was on one, it'd be on the other. Okay, so I just mix these up before we put them on. There we go. Right there. These oil rings have a lot of tension on them. Second ring.
It's got it right there.
Right there, right?
Yep.
Right there. And no chamfer goes up, so there's a mark right there. I can barely see it. Right there. The other one you can't see it for shit. Alright, everything turns nice and freely, which is we want. The rings are lined up. The gaps are lined like this, not like this. It's like this to be twisted. That's what happens when you wrap them on there.
Oh, okay.
It twists them. Then it's like a big spring, it doesn't seal. It'll blow by really bad. But that's how they tell you how to do it, because they're stupid. Alright, we'll be back. Go find some hardware.